Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do 5.6 tune-up exercise for SAT Math Level 1 course. If you need other tasks or quizzes or worksheets or tutoring, email me here for that. 5.6 tune-up exercises. We're going to have 28 points here of exercises, and then you have 20 points of note-taking on your 5.6 lecture. Number 1, the graph of y equals 2 to the x minus 3 can be obtained by shifting the graph of y equals 2x what? Answer that. Then number 2, which equation represents the line of this line here and as a reflection in the y-axis? And then 3, the figure above shows part of the graph of this function here. What is the value of f of 19? So, and then number 4, the endpoints of segment AB are 0, 0, and 9, negative 6. What is the equation of the line that contains a reflection of AB in the y-axis? So that's a good question there. Number 4. Then number 5, the figure above shows the graph of the function f. If g of x equals the negative of f of x, which graph represents the function of g? Then number 6, the point 2, negative 1 on the graph y equals f of x is shifted to which point on the graph of y equals f of x plus 2? So this is for the above. This is for number 5, I believe. This has nothing to do with this. And then number 7, we have 2 graphs here. We have some shifting going on. What is the value of h plus k here in this situation? So you have shifting graphs. And then number 8, we have this situation here. Which of these choices could be the value of k? You have this situation here. So what could be the value of k in that situation? Number 9, if the accompanying figure above, which is this figure here, shows a graph of function of f, which of the following could represent the graph of y equals f of x plus 1? That's number 9. Then number 10, the linear function f is shown. What is the slope of the graph of the function of g? So g, if the function g is the reflection of f in the x-axis. So, and number 11, which of the following could represent the graph of y equals f of x minus 2 plus 1? Which of these could be this situation here? And then number 12, the graph of the function f is shown above, which of the following could represent the graph of the absolute value of y equals f of x. And then 1 and 2, questions 1 and 2 refer to the information in the graph below. So this is a grid in here. Let function f be defined by the graph of the accompanying figure. So you got this situation here, grid in, for what positive integer k is 1, 0 on an x-intercept of the graph of y equals f of x minus k. Then number 2, your second grid in here that pertains to that prior graph. Let m represent the number of points at which the graphs of these two intersect. What is the value of m plus n? And that is your tune-up exercises for lesson 5.6. Thank you very much.